Understanding complete atomic structure. I will teach you a journey of more than 100 years of scientific struggle filled with confusion, debates, and revolutionary discoveries. Every scientist solved one mystery but created another. And this is how modern atomic structure was born. This scientific journey begins in 1803. John Dalton Baba was the first person who presented the first modern atomic theory. He states that matter is made up of tiny particles which are indivisible. He called these indivisible particles as atoms. But this atomic theory has a big problem. We cannot divide an atom. In 1896, a famous scientist, Henry Becquerel, discovered radioactivity. He discovered that certain atoms were continuously emitting invisible rays without sunlight, without heating, and without energy supply. Later, Marie Curie discovered radioactive elements like rhodium and polonium. It proved that atom is divisible. It proved that we can divide an atom. So Dalton's atomic model totally collapsed. In 1897, J. Thomson changed the history. He discovered cathode rays. These rays are negatively charged. He called these negatively charged rays as electrons. This was the first subatomic particle that was discovered. It means that if electrons come out of atoms, then atoms are divisible. So Dalton's atomic theory officially failed. Now we are going to enter to the 20th century. In 1904, J. Thomson presented plum pudding atomic model. He suggests that atom is a positively charged sphere and electrons are embedded inside it. For example, the flesh of the watermelon represents a uniform sphere of positive charge. The seeds are like electrons present inside it. It was the biggest achievement because scientists explained how positive charge balanced the negative charges. Then in 1909, Rutherford Baba came and he presented his famous gold foil experiment. He bombarded heavy alpha particle on gold foil. He observed that some heavy particles passed through the gold foil, but a few particles bounced back. Rutherford Baba states that J. Thomson is totally wrong. Atom as a whole is not a positively charged sphere. Rather, positive charges are concentrated in one spot. Thus, the plum pudding model of J. Thomson failed. Then Rutherford Baba worked on gold foil experiment for 2 years. In 1911, Rutherford Baba presented his atomic model. According to this model, most of atom is empty. Positive charge is concentrated in a dense nucleus and electrons revolve around the nucleus. This was the biggest achievement because a new field of nuclear physics and nuclear chemistry are discovered. Later, this will change modern physics and modern chemistry. Now I want to take you back to 1900 to learn about something very interesting. In 1900, Planck Baba presented his Planck's quantum theory. According to this theory, energy flows in discontinuous manner at microscopic level. Let me repeat this important statement. Energy flows in discontinuous manner at microscopic level. When an electron jumps from fourth energy level to third energy level, electron loses fixed amount of energy, like I say 25 joule in the form of wave packet. It means that this 25 joule energy is fixed or quantized. We cannot control or we cannot change the value of this 25 joule energy. Then he gave his famous equation E equals Hn to V. This idea of Max Planck Baba becomes the foundation of quantum mechanics. Now coming back to 1911. There was a problem. According to Rutherford Baba, electron is continuously moving around the nucleus. It means that electron is continuously losing energy. It was a problem in Rutherford atomic model. Because we know that at microscopic level, Planck Baba says that electron doesn't lose energy continuously, rather electron loses energy discontinuously and discrete wave packet. So this was a problem in Rutherford atomic model. Then in 1913, Neil Bohr Baba appeared on the screen. He states that electrons revolve in fixed circular orbits. When electrons revolve in these orbits, they do not lose energy. Electrons only lose or gain energy when it moves from one orbit to another. It was considered to be the best atomic model ever proposed because it explained the stability of an atom. Secondly, it successfully explained the hydrogen spectrum. Now I want to take you back in time to 1905. Here comes Einstein Baba. Einstein Baba proved that light behaves like particles in photoelectric effect. Because when light strikes zinc surface, light removes an electron from it. So here, light behaves like a particle. Now let me take you again to Bohr's atomic model. In Bohr's atomic model, electron is like a particle. Secondly, electron revolves on fixed paths. It means that we can find position and momentum of electron. It is like catching a car on the road. Now listen carefully, because we are entering to modern age or modern science. In 1924, de Broglie proposed something unbelievable. If light can behave like a particle, maybe particle can behave like waves. He presented matter wave theory, lambda is equal to h upon mv. According to this theory, every particle can behave like a wave. It means electron is a particle, so electron can also behave like a wave. Thus this was the best equation that will solve many things in coming years. Now in 1927, Heisenberg Baba appeared on the screen. He put forward uncertainty principle. According to it, at one time, we cannot find exact position and exact momentum of electron. At one time, we can find one thing. I mean, we can either find position of electron or we can either find momentum of electron. Now let me take you back to Bohr's atomic model. Bohr was wrong. According to Bohr Baba, electron is a particle. But de Broglie suggested that electron is not a particle. It is also a wave. Secondly, Bohr Baba said that we can find position and momentum of electron. But Heisenberg states that we cannot find exact position and exact momentum of electron at one time. So Bohr atomic model had these two problems. Now to solve these problems, in 1926, the great scientist Schrödinger Baba appeared on the screen. He presented his famous wave equation. According to this equation, electrons do not revolve in fixed orbits. Rather, electron becomes a wave in 3D space. This space, a region around the nucleus where we can find an electron, is called orbital. It means that Schrödinger Baba says we do not know where is an electron. We only know the area where we can probably find an electron. Thus Schrödinger Baba replaced the orbit of Bohr's by orbitals. In modern science, we use Schrödinger wave equation to predict the behavior of an electron inside an atom. I mean, all the modern technologies are built upon Schrödinger wave equation and quantum mechanics, like transistors, computers, mobile phones, lasers, semiconductors, and Wi-Fi. I hope that you learned all these amazing discoveries.